Alright, hey guys, here we are with the R9 Customs Sissybar duffel bag. Now what we've designed here is a vintage retro style Sissybar duffel bag. Basically, we had a look at what was on the market and we couldn't find anything that gave you that vintage retro look. Like, let's face it, if you've gone and built yourself an awesome chopper or bobber, you're not going to want to stick a modern bag on. So we came up with this. Now the inside of it is double lined with a rubber back tartan fabric. All the straps on it, 100% leather. We haven't gone with cheap crap. We've gone with nice brass buckles. The buckle here, it's a V design, makes threading through so much easier. The big secret to our design, well, not a secret now if I'm telling you, but it's the corset here. So with this corset design, it should fit pretty much any size Sissybar that you're running. If you're running a wider Sissybar, obviously you loosen off the lace on it and you get more width out of it. If you're running a narrow Sissybar like mine, I've got a king and queen seat on mine. You guys have probably all seen my chopper. This comes together nice and tight on mine. Now the other option you've got a shoulder carry strap here, so once you get to camp you can go and throw it over your shoulder. But what I like to do, when I go and mount it on my bike, I go and lace it up on the Sissybar. Then I go and get my shoulder strap and I run that around it and hook it on the front here. So it's normally easy, there you go. So if you can imagine, your Sissybar's inside the corset, you have this support around it as well. So that really makes sure it's nice and secure on there. Now what else we got happening in the bag? We've got pockets on the side. These pockets have got a drain hole in the bottom. So, first problem, starts raining, your pocket fills up with water, it's going to drain out. You're not going to have a pocket full of water. Second option, you've got yourself a water bottle in there, a nice cold drink, it sweats, again, leaks out the bottom. You can also throw a small fuel canister in there. Water bottle, nice and tight in there. It's a snug fit. You know, we want to make it a snug fit because we don't want you bouncing around on the road having this shit fall out. Alright, inside, let's open this up. Now, bear with me, I've got all my dirty laundry in here because if I'm going to take all my stuff down to the laundry mat, I'm going to take it in style. So I throw it in here, throw it on my bike, go down and get my laundry done. But I'll give you a sneak peek. There's your tartan design. Now, as you just saw, you've got all these press studs in here. That's making sure that when you do the roll top, which is one of the key points of this bag, when you do the roll top, it's going to make sure the weather stays out. So we just do up the press studs. There's 4 of them in total. And once they're done up, you roll it once, you roll it twice. Now obviously if you've got more volume in the bag, you can just roll it the once. But you're not going to be guaranteeing it's going to be a seal. If you need to go and roll it more, you can. You've got the ability with the strap to go and condense it down quite a long way. So, these bags are available on our website. Check us out at r9customs.com. You can grab this desert tan duffel bag. We've also got it in the military green and the black. Obviously with COVID at the moment, shipping times are pretty nasty. Can't do anything to avoid that, so we just appreciate your patience. Alright, bit noisy here as usual, but anyway, we will continue. So, the right way to close your bag. As you notice, you've got press studs on the side, and press studs in the top, so obviously we close them. Now as we roll it down, we want to try and keep it tight so it rolls in nice and tight and creates a nice spiral. Like if you're only just lazily folding it over, you know, you're not getting a good seal on it, so roll it nice and tight down against all the gear you've got in there. Then pop your top leather strap over, get it nice and tight as well so that nothing's moving around. Now the belt that comes with it, this is your shoulder strap. You've got your eyelet here on the front, so what we've designed it to do is simply go around and click onto that. So you're latching it around the back of your Sissybar. Obviously with the adjustment on it, you can make it tighter or looser just by adjusting that depending on what you need. But that's just giving you that added bit of protection on there. So roll it nice and tight. The more rolls you can get into it, like really pull it in tight, the more rolls you can get into it, the better chance it is of keeping it secure from the elements. On the website you might have noticed that we now sell as an upgrade the 550 paracord lace. That's $4.95 just as an upgrade. With the bag, normally you receive a nylon skate style lacing on there. It's same length as this, nice and long, so if you've got a wide Sissybar Duffle, Sissybar on your bike, still got enough for it to go around. But just as an alternative, this is the 550 paracord. 550 paracord, it's got a 7-strand inside the sheath, and it has a braking strength of 550 pounds. So when you get it, you basically replace the toggles with the supplied lace, and just using a lighter you can burn the end of it and throw your paracord on there should you wish to actually use a paracord.